Mr. Ram Singh, sitting in his office at 32nd floor of Maker's Chamber at Nariman Point, carefully mulling over the rapidly changing recruiting industry that has been deeply impacted during the COVID-19 pandemic. The hiring and engaging talent completely flipped after stay at home orders were put in place. He clearly knows that in his 30 years, he has seen good and bad economies. But this recession is going to have a long range impact on almost all the businesses. His main job is not limited to hiring only, but to rehire the workers the organization has laid off in the last few months, to drop few more, and above all, finding new or better talents to fill the roles. Ram clearly knows that the COVID 19 pandemic fallout will fundamentally change recruiting and hiring practices long after the pandemic has passed. Safety and job stability are at the top of mind for the job seeker now, and that changes what they want in a job. Businesses will have to become employee centric as well as customer centric. Employers must be cautious in determining who to bring back to the workplace. Rehiring or bringing back the employees who were earlier laid off is not going to be an easy process. Employers will need to have a legitimate, non discriminatory reason for choosing which employee to rehire. Ram chalked out strategies for his recruiting team for successful recruiting amid the coronavirus pandemic. Ram called his hiring team and told about the common mistakes job seekers are making amid the coronavirus pandemic. Candidates must understand one thing very clearly, that the job market is tougher and it has become an employer's job market. Candidates will have to get more assertive and creative in finding ways to help them stand out, or they will get lost in the crowd. The foremost thing candidates must understand is that even though landing a new role in the middle of a pandemic is challenging, companies are still hiring. Candidates should remain optimistic and continue applying for new jobs, and should be proactive enough to stand out in an increasingly crowded market. Candidates should understand the mindset of the hiring managers and recruiters before placing their bet. Hiring managers and recruiters have become more thoughtful and are putting a lot more effort to search a viable candidate. With social distancing and many companies no longer conducting in person interviews, candidates should simply rely on sending a resume and cover letter or make a phone call. They need to find other ways too to stand out in an increasingly crowded candidate marketplace. Remember, the video recorded should be a professional video in proper business attire, proper background, and with proper lightings, but not more than a minute long, introducing yourself or carrying a thank you message. It takes more effort, but if done well, helps you to stand out. Social distancing and working from home have recently become a norm. Employers are now adopting virtual interviews given the COVID 19 situation. With respect to that, candidates should bring the same level of enthusiasm, professionalism, and communication that they would do for an in person interview. There can be questions you face seems to look difficult at the time of interviews, but you should be well versed about the video technology, as candidates who can run video meetings without technical difficulty immediately set themselves apart from others and could be a deciding factor given the COVID-19 situation. Always remember, video embracing is especially important, as this is a formal interview and your appearance, outfit, and surroundings should reflect that. Candidates should look very well prepared, engaged communicator, and should speak to recruiters from quiet, well lit spaces in their homes. It is extremely easy to get a sense of what working with them would actually be like. Remember to test out all functionality of your video conferencing app, for example, audio settings, camera access, and screen sharing in advance to avoid hiccups. Candidates should be beware of applying to every role coming in the market. Mass applying to everything which they see regardless of true interest is common right now. Some candidates do not even remember applying to the role and do not bother to prepare for the interviews as well. As a candidate, you must keep in mind that more competition now exists for each available role. You should be even more selective and personal when you approach recruiters and hiring managers while applying for the jobs during the pandemic. Candidates should focus on quality rather than quantity of applications. They need to invest time into creating a more customized application that is tailored to the role they are applying for. Learn about the company and especially understand the impact that COVID 19 has on the role you want to have. Apply for only those jobs where you fully understand the role's requirements and feel you are uniquely positioned to stand out as a strong candidate. Candidates who are setting salary expectations too high price themselves out of a potential job. Companies are already under extreme pressure to manage their own costs during this pandemic. Understanding this clearly shall benefit you in long term. Now is not the time for candidates to seek huge salaries. Candidates attempting aggressive negotiations or using this crisis for financial gain only will find that employers' patience will be very thin and they will ultimately end up losing a precious opportunity. Remember that salaries may not be as competitive as they have been in recent years, so act carefully when approaching compensation discussions. Every firm you apply for job has its own story about how COVID-19 has impacted them. Candidates must be mindful of the fact that every company has had a huge impact on company culture and employee morale, as many companies have shifted from on-site to remote working while others may be going through round of layoffs. Hiring managers are looking for more candidates that show an authentic interest in the company and how the company should approach this difficult time. Demonstrate your awareness of the challenging times any organization certainly find themselves in at this moment. Every candidate should remember that it's time to adopt, measure, and employ flexibility. Flexibility could involve an openness to part time roles, different locations, or levels of compensations. The biggest mistake candidates make is candidate failing to react appropriately to the changing business times caused by the pandemic. Adaptability is a critical quality to possess, and candidates who cannot be flexible during this crisis are not likely to receive job offers. Demonstrate your adaptability, your approach for the job to the hiring manager in this environment of uncertainty. In this unprecedented situation of COVID 19, candidates should have most important trait of business patience. Companies are adjusting to interviewing and hiring remotely, so the process may not be smooth and it is definitely going to take time. It may take more time for companies to respond to you. Following up your job application does demonstrate proactivity and interest, but when done too frequently, causes an adverse effect. Remember that patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. Candidates should capture the exact type of location, sector, organization, function, role, and salary you would find acceptable before job searching so that you can objectively evaluate opportunities against these criteria. Employers also want to know if you're interested in their company for the right reasons. They will always ask you why people are looking to join their company. More than ever, companies are looking for people who can add value over and above their own role and keep calm in a crisis. You need to demonstrate these skills as part of your job application process. Candidates are understandably hesitant to apply for a new role in the middle of the biggest global pandemic we have ever witnessed in our lifetimes. We shall recommend that candidates should still apply. Candidates who are optimistic and enthusiastic about the job opportunity are still getting offers. Employers are looking for candidates remaining positive in the face of current pandemic. On one side, companies are looking for people who can demonstrate success in an organization which has undergone rapid transformation and who are eager to work in a volatile situation. On the other side, this also represents an opportunity for the candidates to demonstrate how much a candidate is prepared, focused, and professional despite of everything going on in the world. These are unprecedented times. The coronavirus pandemic has created challenges for us all, not only in our personal lives but our professional lives as well. While finding your next job may still be an important and necessary pursuit during times of crisis and uncertainty, all you can do is your very best to approach your career pursuits in a proactive, positive, and patient manner without being overly aggressive, insensitive, or pushy.